Have you ever dreamed of crafting your website but found it's more like learning quantum physics in an afternoon? Well, stress no more because today we're diving into Durable.co, an AI tool so smart it could beat Einstein at chess. And guess what? It builds your website. Yep, that's right. It's like having your own personal Mozart but for website creation. So, let's get this digital show on the road without further delay. Initially, we need to sign up on Durable.co. The only thing you need to do here is to add your email and boom. Account created. You can even use your Google account. And now, first things first, Durable.co is more than just your regular website builder. It's a wizard in digital disguise. This platform doesn't just help you construct a neat, professional-looking website and populates it with content that matches your industry. I mean, talk about cutting the hassle, right? You're not just getting a construction crew here. You're also getting an interior decorator. Alright, we've got our account up and running. Now comes the fun part. We get to create a new business. Let's think of something exciting. How about Grass Whisperers? Yeah, you heard it right. We are going to bring about a sea change in the lawn mowing business. You will be required to fill in specific details, such as your industry and the location of your firm. Take advantage of this section, okay? Artificial intelligence will use your information to produce a customized website to meet your requirements, much like a bespoke suit. And once you're done filling in the business details, hit the button, sit back and watch as Durable.co gets to work. And when you see your new website for the first time, don't be surprised if you feel like a proud parent. And guess what? This isn't some one-size-fits-all scenario. Durable.co knows you're unique, and it caters to your individuality. It offers an editing mode that lets you tweak each element of your website, just like adjusting the seasonings in a gourmet dish. So, let's explore further. Navigate to the website menu, and you'll find your freshly brewed website, served hot in desktop and mobile versions. And then, click on the Edit button to stroll through your website, inspect every nook and cranny, and make changes wherever you want. Imagine. You may want to update the location or change the background image. Feel free to let your creative juices flow. You can add a dash of your personality, play around with the text, or even change the layout. Remember, you're the artist. This is your canvas where Durable.co is just providing you with the paints. Now that we've got our grass whispering business all set up with a sparkly new website, we're still going. Moving on to our next stop, do you see that little plus icon between sections? Give it a tap and unlock a new dimension of elements you can add to your website. You can showcase your Instagram posts, integrate your business details, and even create a new page entirely. It's like adding rooms to your digital mansion. Speaking of digital mansions, let's shift our attention to that little screen in your pocket. Click the resolution button and get ready to see your site morph into its mobile form. It's like having a pocket-sized replica of your website that's sleek, user-friendly, and just as stunning as the original. And let me tell you, in a world where people are practically attached to their smartphones, this feature is as important as having a good slice of pizza at a party. Furthermore, our next stop is appearance customization. Is that the contact button on your site? It's not just a button, it's a portal of communication, a digital handshake. Durable.co lets you spruce it up, tailor it to your needs, or even replace it with something else entirely. And remember that little icon next to the URL in the browser called a favicon? Here's a fun fact, that tiny image can greatly impact brand recognition. Good thing Durable.co has got you covered. With just a few clicks, you can add your logo, ensuring your brand's identity shines through every aspect of your website. Okay, we've covered a lot, and you might be thinking, this all sounds fantastic, but what if I need help? Well, my friends, fear not. Durable.co comes equipped with a friendly chat feature. Trust me, I've tested it out, and their response time is faster than you can say, abracadabra. Now comes my favorite part. It's time to reveal your website to the world. However, before you do that, remember with the free version of Durable.co, your website URL will change every 24 hours. It's like a digital Cinderella, transforming at midnight. But it's a small price for such a robust, intuitive, AI-powered platform, right? Your website comes alive with a drum roll and a click of a button. Feel the pride swelling in your chest as you navigate through the pages, admiring the AI's work and your customization skills. It's like watching your digital child take its first steps. Pretty fantastic. But the magic of Durable.co isn't over yet. So, let's move to the Hall of Analytics, a treasure trove of insights just waiting to be discovered. Whether you want to count how many folks visited your site or where they're coming from, Durable.co has covered you on this part too. But our website is still fresh out of the oven, so the hall is a bit empty. Please don't fret though, it's only a matter of time before this place buzzes with data. Next, let's move to the Chamber of SEO, where Durable.co helps you optimize your website for search engines. Well, the Chamber ensures your website isn't hidden but on the first page of the Google map. You can tweak all kinds of settings, from metadata to keywords. Then let's talk about Marketing Menu. This isn't just any menu, it's like the command center for your advertising campaigns. Want to conjure up a Google ad, tweet, Facebook post, or even an email? This is your spot. Just click the Create button, fill in a brief description, and let the AI take over. Before you know it, you'll have a persuasive marketing material ready to go. While we're talking about contacts, why not take a stroll into the CRM of Durable.co? Sync your Gmail and watch as all your customer interactions are beautifully organized. Each customer has their own profile where you can view past conversations, send emails directly, or even add custom fields that match your business needs. And now comes the final part, the invoicing. Here, you can create and track invoices, add items, specify payment instructions and taxes, and even share them directly with your customers. And if you have Durable Money enabled, customers can pay you directly through the platform. It is like having your own personal accountant. So that's the end of the video. But remember, this is just the beginning of your journey with Durable.co. This powerful AI tool makes creating a website, managing marketing and customers, and handling invoicing a breeze. So, why not give it a shot? Thank you all for joining me on this adventure, and until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, in the realm of Durable.co, your only limit is your imagination. If you have any questions or general comments, leave a comment down below, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye, have a great time.